Hello everyone, welcome back to the XSP Green Monster channel. My name is Riley, and today I'm going to be installing the Team 7K back in the truck. In the last video you saw me clean up the wiring, and now it's time for everything to go back together and be back in playing condition. After this, it will be tuning the amplifiers. This should be a pretty quick video, just putting in some screws and putting in an amplifier, which doesn't really take that long. So I'm going to run up to the apartment, grab the amplifier, bring it back down, grab the drill, and then we'll get started. Should go by pretty fast. If you do enjoy the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please leave a comment or suggestion down in the comment section of a video that you guys would like to see or something you'd like to see me do. Alright, just got the amplifier, so I'm going to point you guys down at the rack and I'm going to get working. I know most of these videos I'm wearing the exact same thing. That's because it was just a day that I had a lot of time to do the same thing, to work on the truck, so I decided to film a bunch of videos for you guys. So you guys will be getting a lot of content here in the next couple of days, and I got some big plans over spring break that I think you guys are going to be pretty excited to watch. So let's get to it. Alright, so now that's in, we can actually mount the Team 7K. Which is pretty tricky to do, actually. Alright, I know it's getting a little bit hard for you guys to see, but I'm going to try and finish this up quickly. Again, ground's always going first here. Hey everyone, had to end the last one. It was just getting too dark. I ran into an issue with the way I had wired things. So we are back in the truck again, and I'm going to continue working on installing this. Hopefully we can get all the wires plugged back in today. And yeah, so that's the goal. I'm gonna point the camera back down and we'll get right into it. Hopefully we can finish before it gets too dark today. I wonder. Alright, so now is where it kind of comes down to just playing with wiring. Obviously, as you can see, these wires are very tight at the moment, and they're too tight for me to be able to get them. This is how I originally had it, but it looks like I'm going to have to change up the way that these are kind of maneuvered for them to want to sit properly. So I'm going to try going over here with this one. And kind of doing a similar thing on that one. So with this, something I might need to look into is actually running these wires to the top and then moving these so that they run to the bottom, since that could make this all a little bit easier. I'll have to look into it and see how I feel once it gets further. Now I'm just gonna have to carefully insert this other one. Alright, there we go. It's definitely different. We'll have to see if this stays like this for a while. Or not. I mean, I think it looks pretty cool. Everything's definitely in there solid. It's not going to move around. Last piece is obviously to get the SMD fuse cover back on. Alright. So there we go, the finished product, and I'll get some photos of that while it's there, and then we'll go start working on just quickly wiring up the mids and highs. Alright, so I just took a couple pictures of that, and now I'm going to start working on just hooking up these and putting in these wires. It'll be really short and fast, and so in the next video I can tune this amp and show you guys how to do that with the SMD AMM1. So let's get right into that. Alright, so here we go on these. I have all of these written down on a note for which colors go where, just so I don't forget which is my highs and which is my lows. There we go, so I got white is left mid, blue is right mid. So white and blue. So I'm going to do those on channel 1 and channel 2 then. And then channel 3 and channel 4 will be the high. So that's how I'm doing my 125, is that channel 1 and 2 are mids and channel 3 and 4 are highs. And like I said, this is just completely untuned right now. I'll have to go in and get all of the settings on the back correct, as well as actually tune it. But let's pull that around so it's nice and clean, and then we'll get these hooked up. Alright, and there we go. Everything is reconnected once again. And I know that you guys probably couldn't see too much,
but that was basically what we were doing right there. Just reconnecting all of those and then doing the RCAs on the other side. And like I said, another day I will go to tune that, so that won't be today, but that'll probably be in the next video. I will tune everything. So yeah, that's it for the amplifier install, reinstalling both my Team 7K and then just finishing wiring up the amplifiers. I know I kind of installed the amplifiers on the wire cleanup video. I guess I didn't. I don't know. I am losing track because I'm filming a lot right now since I'm just doing a lot of work on my truck. But yes, thank you guys for watching the amplifier install video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.